In this guide, you will learn how to delete all Google search history. Let's get started. First, launch your Google app, then click on the profile icon given at the top right. Different options will appear. Navigate to the option Search History. You will be directed to this page. Now click on this drop down for delete. You're gonna find out different time frame. Select the option Delete All Time. Now checking for these options, delete, discover, image search as well as search, then click on next. Click on the delete to confirm it. With this, all of your search history will be deleted. Next thing you can do is click on the option auto delete. Now click on this drop down and set it to 3 months. Now from onwards, all of your search history will be deleted after 3 months. Also, what you can do is completely turn off this feature. For that, click on the option Saving to Web and App Activity. Then click on the option Turn Off. Now your search history won't be saved. So that's a wrap for this video. This way you can easily delete all Google search history. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.